2, 3, 2, 3. Out on the Mira, the warm afternoons, old men go fishing with the black line and spoon. And if they catch nothing, they never complain. I wish I was with them again. As boys in their boats called to girls on the shore, teasing the ones that they really adore. And into the evening, the courting begins, and I wish I was with them again. Can you imagine a piece of the universe more fit for princes and kings? I'll trade you 10 of your cities, the merry and rich, and the pleasure it brings. Out on the Mira, on the soft summer nights, on fire's blaze, to the children's delight. They dance round the flames, singing songs with their friends. I wish I was with them again. None of the ashes, the stories are told of witches and werewolves and Oak Island gold. The stars on the river, they sparkle and spin. I wish I was with them again. Can you imagine a piece of the universe more fit for princes and kings? I'll trade you 10 of your cities for merry and rich, and the pleasure it brings. Out on the Mira, the people are kind. They treat you to homebrew and help you unwind. And if you've gone broken, they'll see that you mend. I wish I was with them again. Can you imagine a piece of the universe more fit for princes and kings? I'll trade you 10 of your cities for merry and rich, and the pleasure it brings. Now I conclude, I wish you go well. Sweet be your dreams, may your happiness swell. I'll leave you here for my journey begins. I'm going to be with them, I'm going to be with them.